Hey guys, Toby here with Sarah. Today we're going to be showing you how to use VFlats to light a background. Now there's a number of reasons why you might want to light a background, but today we're going to focus mainly on e-commerce. Let's say you have a clothing company that you're shooting for and they need a pure white background with a model wearing the clothing for their website. Now the reason why the VFlats are going to be so effective is because you get to point a strobe directly into a VFlat and back out onto the background, which will spread the light very nice and evenly, and you'll be able to bump up the power on the light and achieve a pure white background if that's what you need. You can also open and close the VFlat depending on how much spill and spread you want of that light. Now today we're going to be shooting the images on the Canon R5 with my 24-70 lens, which is my go-to lens, especially for this type of work, because I get to zoom out and get full body shots, and I can zoom in and get tighter shots. I'm also going to be tethering to my MacBook into Lightroom. Now one of the things I love about tethering into Lightroom, especially if I'm trying to achieve a pure white background, is I can go into the develop setting, click on soft proofing, and I can actually see if I'm achieving that pure white look. A lot of times you'll be very close to pure white, but you're not really quite getting there. What you can do is you can just bump up your whites in Lightroom a tiny bit, and that should get you where you need to be. Now when shooting with the setup, it's important to make sure that the model is in front of the VFlats. If she goes behind the VFlats slightly, the light that's bouncing in and coming back out onto the background could hit her and give a very washed out, blown out look on her. And we don't want that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more great videos coming. Also, we have some exciting new products dropping soon, so stay tuned. What we're going to try to achieve today, not what we're going to, all right, we'll start from the top.